So let's just take a look. Here is Paint Low widget, widget for a couple. Pretty cool and interesting app. Yeah, here is the app. Set photo on drawing, and you can just use Paint Low app, a revolutionary way to couple to intertwine their souls, no matter the physical separation. Our platform lets you touch each other's hearts through virtual brushes, transcending the limits of distance. So just create pair and then just yeah, no registrations, and you can then install the widgets in here and just paint on each other's screens. And there are some like basic painting tools, and that's basically how it works. And then it's also available on the lock screen. So super cute app, very nice. And then basically here you create your account, and then you just entering, like drawing someone, drawing something. You can, just, and then send, pin, push. But also you need to create a pair first. Like you can share your link or join by code. So for example, this is my code, and then someone should enter this code, and then you will have it together. So something around this, and then you can see like your room kind of, and then yeah, that's basically how it works. Super easy. Also, I guess you can add some photos. I had some screenshot in here, so you can also add photos in here. You can edit it, you can erase it, you can just use a basic editing features, back and forward, change color, and that's it. So very basic kind of widget. And then to install it, just tap and hold, and then tap, and then try to search Paint Low, and then just see quick sketch, and then there is small, medium, and big widgets, and you can just add it, and this is how it will look like. But obviously this should be a painting from your partner, so not from you. And then you can also go and settings, and then just go and try to install it on the lock screen. So here you can go and try to install lock screen, and then let's see if it's actually available in there. So yeah, here is Paint Low. You can just go and install it just like this. So this is actually super cute, because other like painting widgets are not available that often on lock screen. So this is quite a cool feature, and then you will just have it like that. So it's super nice, super cute. And then obviously it will just appear in real time when your partner sends a new drawing to you. So super nice, great idea, and easy to use app. So this app is recently trending. Maybe they just ran some nice TikTok videos to send some traffic. But yeah, pretty good app. Try it out.